Hello everybody, my name is Shannon Clements. Some call me the nomadic author, others call me mental. Why? Because I like to think a lot. And today what I'm thinking about is I've watched a whole lot of these videos about DNA and everything. I watched a lot of both male, female, Mexican, black, white, Puerto Rican, Africans. I've watched a lot of you from all over the world. And one test that I keep seeing show up, actually two. There's one called Ancestry DNA and one called 23andMe. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you know that I prescribe to use DNA and also CRI genetics. And no, I'm not being paid by none of these people to do these tests. I'm doing them on my own and coming out of my own pocket. So I've watched your videos and I saw the differences, and I even put it on video, the differences between them. So now I want to get a even better understanding of what it is that people get out of going through Ancestry.com or the Ancestry DNA test. So I went and got it for myself. I don't want to put the number on there, but as you can see, it's Ancestry DNA. You open it up, you got this little card. Everybody know who's taking that test knows this card. Oh shoot, I try not to put that on there. You got the little slip right here, and of course you got the box that you sending back in and everything. But I wasn't trying to. And of course you got this. It says Ancestry DNA. I went and got it. It's not empty. The tubes is right there. Oh shoot, I keep showing off the numbers and everything. I'm not supposed to be showing y'all the numbers. You might pause it or whatever and go back and look at it, but still, I just want to get a true reading off of this and find out what's so good or what's so special about Ancestry DNA. Now, I know I've seen to where they link you to everybody that's actually related to you and is in their database. So I want to see what it's going to come back with on me, because what was it? CRI genetics does not do that, nor does DNA. Though I have found their information a little more accurate, let's put it like that. But I want to see exactly how accurate this test is. I have taken one test that where I'm supposed to spit in the tube. And that was for a life ship. That was basically sending my DNA to the moon and let it sit up there forever, for as long as it could last. But before that, I also have a secondary kit that I'm going to do on this video too, and then I'm gonna put them both on. And then I'm gonna make a video for each one of these afterwards. And this one right here, is also another one I just got in the mail. It's for LivingDNA. I want to see this is all the stuff that comes with it. The package that it comes back in, the little booklet that comes with it, the tube that I was supposed to put in there is a swab in there. Yeah, there's a swab in there. You see that? And the little bag that I was supposed to send it back in the mail so I can get my test results. So I'm gonna do both of these on this one video and get it out the way. And then I'm gonna make a separate video later talking about what I found out from each one of these companies when it comes to my ancestry and who I might be related to. So from this point on, I'm releasing everybody that I was claiming to have been related to. Just let them go. I'm gonna let Ancestry.com or Ancestry DNA link me to who it is that I'm related to. I'm starting with a clean slate. Now this portion right here, they say that you're supposed to fill it up, spit in here and fill it up. I guess it say spit to here. There's a little black line right here. It's supposed to fill it up right there, not with just bubbles, but all spit. And then I guess I was supposed to take and mix this in with it. This little clear blue liquid. But first, before I do that, let me look at the instructions. Make sure I'm doing things right. You know, these tests are not cheap. Now, let's see what it say. Activate your kit. I already activated both kits. That's the reason why they was open. Spit in the tube. Then it says, I put this, I guess I take the little funnel piece right here off, and then take this and screw it on there until it mixes with the liquid, and then shake it up and then send it on in. And the other one is just basically the cheek swab. Replace the funnel with the cap. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Place the tube in a collection bag. Mail in your sample. Everybody's scared to, oh, I don't want you to see me spit. Look, I'm just about to spit in this thing, because that's just a cold reality of taking a DNA test. For all I know, you could have put fish water in yours. It came back with some type of results, and you're like, oh shoot, I don't know where this came from. I'm shocked. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And somebody did say they had a problem with producing the spit. I ate something earlier today that was for breakfast. Here it is later. It's about going on 5 p.m. So it's been about 6. So I went up there around the 10 and then I went over there. It's been about 6 hours since I last ate. So there should be nothing wrong with my DNA. Period. Here we go. Wait a minute. That's bubbles. It's getting there. It's not like it's a whole lot going in there, because it's not gonna fill up this whole thing. But still, those are bubbles up in there, and I want to get rid of the bubbles. Too bad I can't take a little tinge of salt and just some type of flavoring to get the juices to make my mouth water. Smell something that's smelling good, delicious. Because my mouth is dry right now. Seriously, it's dry right now. I'm seriously having a problem with trying to get this out. It's getting there. Most of that is bubbles. They don't want bubbles. They want actual saliva. One more should do it. There we go. That should do it. Guess I take this off. Take this cap and twist it on there. I say twist it on there. Now, it's still, as you can see, it hasn't mixed in yet, even though I twisted it on there. So I gotta look at these directions and find out what I did wrong, what's going on. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. It's tight. You will know it works when the blue solution from the cap is emptied into the tube. Okay, I see air bubbles. Is it like seeping into that? It's about as tight as it's gonna get. Okay, I tilted it to the side and now it's going down there. I did it on camera. I tilted it to the side and now it's mixed down up in there. Okay, it gave me a little extra tightening on there now. Now, here's the other one. Shake it for 5 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. I do it for 7 for good luck. Let's see what comes about from this. I guess I'll take this whole vial. I wonder what is this? What's the purpose of this little cloth? They don't say what the cloth is for. Am I supposed to wrap this around this like this or something? Let me open up this instruction again. Place the tube in a collection bag. Place the sample inside the collection bag provided in your DNA kit. Seal the bag with an adhesive strip. What's the purpose of this? I'm supposed to wrap this like something. I don't know. I'm just gonna wrap it up in there anyway because I don't know what it's for. It gotta be in this bag for a reason. So I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna wrap it around there and drop it in the bag. Take and fold this over and seal it. collection bag sealed. Put it into the little mailbox. Mail-in box. I don't think nothing else goes in there with it. Nope, that's the other test kit. Nothing in there, so tape, adhesive, strip off, seal, and I'm gonna go drop it in the mail. Now for the second one, the next one. Here's the seal bag. And what's the instructions on this? Follow the online instructions to take your sample. It's critical we get enough DNA, so please watch our video of the best way to do this. You can see the video once you've activated your kit. So I pause. Alright, I had to pause it for a second. Now, on this one it says, go to livingdna.com/taking my DNA. That's what I did, and this is what it comes up with. It gives you the instructions. You can pause it and read along with me, or read it for yourself and then unpause whatever. It say pop the lid off the swab. Alright, here's the swab. Unopened. I just opened it. It said pop the lid off. Okay, I pop the lid on. In other words, I pulled it off. I didn't know. Whatever. Rub and rotate the swab along the inside of your cheeks for the full 30 to 45 seconds. It's dry. Oh, now my mouth want to water. When I'm doing this, it all of a sudden I just watering, but I couldn't hardly conjure no spit up to save my life. Now that should be enough, but when you look at it, it doesn't look like anything is on it. But I guess it's on. I use this side of the cheek, my left cheek, but it don't feel no different. Yeah, right here. It tastes a little iodine-y, so it's like it was rubbing the skin off or something. I did it for the 35. I did it for about a minute and a half. I say push the cap on until you hear a click. Click. Then put the silver, place the swab in the silver bag and seal. I should have spit in there. Just to make sure they got something in there. All I know is these things start feeling a little slippery and slimy or whatever. I guess it's collecting. I don't know. It doesn't look like anything is on there. But when I rub my tongue along the cheek, you can taste a little iodine. I mean, you can taste it almost like blood. Yet I'm not bleeding. All right, so say seal the bag. I should have spat in there. I drop the silver bag inside. This is the mailing bag. Pull the adhesive tape. Seal the bag. Now I just go ahead and take and throw this in the mailboxes. And I'm about to go get me something to eat because I'm hungry. I guess I'll see you in about 6 to 8 weeks.